You might be watching this video because you're considering cleaning your rings with baking soda. Here we have 2 diamond rings. We are going to be cleaning one with the Connosieurs Jewellery Cleansing Foam, their jewellery wipes and their diamond dazzle stick, and the other ring with baking soda. All you have to do is spray the foam onto the ring and let this soak between 30 and 60 seconds. After that, rinse the ring in warm water. Then, we are going to use one of the Connosieurs jewellery wipes to simultaneously remove the dirt and polish the ring. As well as removing the dirt, the wipes will also leave an anti-tarnish shield on the jewellery. Looking at the results, you can see that a lot of dirt has been removed using the Connosieurs products, whereas nothing has been removed with the baking soda. So let's try the Connosieurs cleaning foam on the other ring and see how dirty it really is. We just need to repeat the same steps we did with the first ring. As you can see, even after being cleaned with baking soda, there was still a lot of dirt removed from the ring. To get the diamond really sparkling, we are going to finish off cleaning both the rings with Connosieurs Diamond Dazzle Stick. Simply remove the cap, dip the brush in some water and twist the stick to release the cleaner. Brush the diamonds, then rinse and dry to really make your rings dazzle. To achieve cleaning results like this on your own jewellery, try out Connosieurs Jewellery Cleansing Foam, jewellery wipes and diamond dazzle stick.